Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. At first, my name is Marwa. I am a data scientist, and in this video, we will talk about the implementation of data science in agriculture. And it's truly groundbreaking for farmers globally. Agritech is touching new heights every day with the latest innovation being launched. Recent press claims that the Data OS project used data from remote sensing along with artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and other approach to data science for agriculture. In addition, it employed systems to generate geospatial outputs for use in agriculture, disasters, preparedness, and other areas. Although the automated irrigation system can make use of weather forecasting, it sounds like an interesting use case to have a system that alerts you when the soil is dry, but you don't need to water the soil because it will rain in a few hours. This is another great data science application in agriculture. Role of data science in agriculture. Data science is a relatively new field that is revolutionizing many industries, including agriculture. Farmers are using data science to increase crop yields, reduce water usage, and improve the quality of their products. Here are some explanations on how to use data science in agriculture. Number 1. Crop monitoring. Data science is being used to create more sophisticated crop monitoring systems. Farmers can now use sensors and drones to collect data about their crops, which can be analyzed to identify problems early on and take corrective actions. This helps to improve yields and avoid losses due to pests or diseases. Number 2. Water management. One of the most important applications of data science in agriculture is water management. By collecting data about weather patterns, soil moisture levels, and irrigation systems, farmers can optimize their water usage to reduce wastage and lower costs. Number 3. Precision farming. Another key area where data science is being used in agriculture is precision farming. This involves using data to guide planting, spraying, and harvesting operations so that they are carried out with pinpoint accuracy. This helps farmers save on inputs such as seeds, chemicals, and reduce crop damage and yield losses. Number 4. Soil analysis. Data science in agriculture is also being used to understand soil composition and fertility better. By analyzing data from sensors and samples, agricultural scientists can develop more accurate models of soil behavior. This helps farmers make better irrigation, fertilization, and other soil management practices. Number 5. Crop forecasting. Another important application of data science in agriculture is in crop forecasting. By analyzing historical data about weather patterns and crop yields, agricultural scientists can develop models that can predict how a particular crop will fare in the future under different conditions. This information can help farmers to make decisions about what crops to plant and when to harvest them. Number 6, food safety. Finally, data science is also playing a role in food safety. By analyzing foodborne illness data, agricultural scientists can identify risk factors and develop strategies for reducing the spread of disease-causing bacteria. This helps to protect consumers and ensure that food products are safe for consumption. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah. And you will find the resources in the description box.